Hello, just a quick one. So this is a battery from my Baofeng handheld trade-in receiver. I ended up breaking the charger. It pumped out 9 volts. This is 7.4, so I wanted to open it up and see if the batteries were 3.6 or 3.7 nominal, just to try to keep this a little bit longer. I figured somebody might want to see what the inside looks like. It had clips down here, but the rest of it was ultrasonic welding. So I'm gonna have to glue that on or duct tape it. I don't know. Ended up breaking the tiny little wires that they had going from the terminals in there to over here. For anybody wanting to know, the left one is black, negative. Sorry. That's the board. Looks alright. The cells are unnamed. Well, that's not true. They have the YSE10 space 133, but internet searching brought up nothing at all. I guess I could check on some Chinese distributor websites to see if they have it. They look like decent, pretty beefy cells, rugged. I wonder what they do whenever the batteries start to go bad and start to poof. Wonder if they'll even do it, because this started poofing and it bent the aluminum case. So when they go, they got some force behind them. They really do. But anyways, that is all. Bye.